5 Health benefit of green onions. Spring or inexperienced onions now no longer simplest flavor excellent, however also are extraordinarily healthful for the frame. It's Miles maximum desired Chinese element that is loaded with vital nutrients. Here are 5 health benefit of green onions. 1. Reduces the risk of cancer. Green onion is in first-rate supply of sulfur that is pretty useful for the general health. It has compounds like allyl sulfide and flavonoids that save you most cancers and combat towards the enzymes that produce most cancer cells. Step as much as keep away from most cancers and begin consuming healthful with the aid of using, which includes greater of inexperienced onions to your day-by-day diet. 2. Lowers blood sugar level. Sulfur gift in the spring onion performs a prime function right here as well. Due to the sulfur compounds, the frame's capacity to supply insulin has a tendency to increase. This allows to save you diabetes to an excellent extent. 3. Loaded with vitamin A. When it involves nutrients, inexperienced onions ace their diet. Each cup of inexperienced onions has 2,840 IU of diet which covers the whole day-by-day diet desires for ladies, and almost 95% of the desires for men. And even smaller serving, like a tablespoon, substances up to 10% of your diet desires. Your frame makes use of diet for correct vision, and is predicated on diet to create new blood cells, which includes the white blood cells required for immunity. 4. Boosts immune device. They are loaded with diet C and diet E, which assist in enhancing the power of immune device and defend us from infections. 5. Prevents cold and flu. Due to its antibacterial and antiviral properties, it's miles and first-rate medicinal drug to combat towards viral and flu. It additionally allows in decreasing extra mucus and fights towards the arsonous bloodless, which frequently finally ends up making you experience miserable.